What's over here? Good job. Yeah, you want to come? You want to turn around and try walking to Mom? Okay, you hold on. No, you hold on. Hold on to here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come here. Stand up. Okay, you want to try walking? Let go of Mom's hands then. Okay. Or back up. There. Hold on to the couch. There. Now you want to walk to Mom? Come on. Come on. You ready? Come on. Goofy. Here, I'll stand you back here. Are you going to be brave? Well, you've already got a... Oh, silly boy. Ready? Ready? You think it's funny, don't you? Okay, stand up. There you go. Are you gonna walk over? You're goofy. You're goofy. Yeah. 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 What's this? Yeah.